Hello, so I'm just going to be explaining the course elements of my class that I've created on Google Classroom. So to access this, you would just go to Google Classroom and the students would be able to access this as well. And I would just click on my class. So this is my dashboard of my classroom. We see my title, I'm in second grade. And then if I have any announcements, I would just announce them here. For this particular assignment, I have added my announcement that just tells my students about the resource page I've created and the assignment that they will have to complete in the coursework section. And yeah, so I can add announcements here, and then every time that I create a new assignment, it would just show up on their dashboard. But I find that an easier way to view all of these um, in a more orderly fashion is if you go to classwork. You will see I have first put the question that I want students to answer at the top of the classwork page. So if I click on this, it doesn't have a due date or it's not worth any points, but I would just place questions here that I would like my students to answer. And they just press view question. And this question is over my course theme, which is money. So then they would just answer the response there and turn it in to me so I can be able to see their work. And then I also have just like a welcome, just like welcome right there. And then I have all about Miss Durham, so all about me. And if you go into this, you'll see a little bit about me and then a picture of me. I have the classroom expectations. So these are the classroom expectations I expect them to follow. And then I also talk about Class Dojo and how I will use classroom money called Durham dollars. And then they can see a PDF of the expectations I've put on a paper that just lets them see it more easily. And then assignment clarification, this is where I would put any clarifications I feel as though the students need for the assignments I give them. But I don't have any right now. So I also just have the grading policy there as well. And then for classroom announcements and schedule, they're going on a field trip, so I just put that in there and just reminding them to make sure that they turn in their permission slip. And then I have their schedule and then the specials that they go to each day. And then for parent or student communication, they'll be communicating with me through Class Dojo. So they would just click on that link there. And then this was for a different assignment. And then um, the resource page for money of my course theme is right there. And then my assignment or the quiz I've created that I would like them to complete, they would just go here, they would press on money quiz, and then they would fill it out and press submit. And then that would be given to me. Um, I could view my students here, when and if I have students, and then I would be able to see their grades here. And this is where I would invite the students and they'd be able to go to my classroom page. But yeah, okay, thank you so much.